I am Zakita King from First BCom studying in KZS Kazinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about objectives. Objectives are the end result towards which the activities of the organization are directed. They are specific commitment to achieve measurable results within the time frame. In other words, a well-defined objective should state what is to be accomplished and when it should be accomplished. It is also termed as goal, aim, purpose, target, mission, etc. Definition of objectives. According to Robert C. Apply, defined objectives are goals. They are aim which management and administration wish the organization to achieve. Advantages or importance of objectives. Facilitates planning. Objectives provide basis for all planning as it is more precise, useful and purposeful. There can be no planning without clear objective. They provide the basis for determining policies, procedures, programs, budgets and other plans. Provides motivation. Every employee works to achieve organizational goals as he knows that accomplishment of organizational goals are a means of achieving personal objectives. Provides direction. Objectives provide clear-cut direction for the organization as well as for individual departments. This reduces the confusion and chaos in the organization. Provides legitimacy to the organization. Objectives describe the purpose of an organization, define its activities, spell out the nature of relationship with the society. Thus, objectives relate the organization with its environment, which is a source of legitimacy to identify the strength and weakness of the organization. Basis for decentralization. Well-defined objectives are very helpful in decentralization and delegation of authority. Decentralization signifies a situation where decision-making authority is granted to subordinates. Standards for control. Standards against which work performance can be assessed and timely corrective actions can be taken in the event of significant deviation. This helps in increasing organization efficiency by reducing wastage of resources. Ensures coordination. Objectives act as a unifying force for the organization. Well-defined objectives ensure coordination between the activities of departments, groups, and individuals in the organization. Limitations of objectives. Non-achievement of better performance. Challenging objective increases the risk of non-achievement of better performance. Non-availability of resources. Setting objectives without taking into account the availability of resources like materials, men, machine, and money is a waste of time and effort. Hence, fixing of objectives without considering the availability of resources is a limiting factor. Difficulty in measuring quantitative factor. Certain objectives like customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, and attitude cannot be measured. As a result, it is difficult in measuring their accomplishment. Undermines self-confidence. The fear of failure to achieve objectives undermines the self-confidence of subordinates, which leaves behind a team of demotivated employees. Essentials or guidelines for setting objectives. Clear and specific. Objective must be specific with clear direction about what should be done. Measurable. In order to identify whether the objectives has been achieved. It should be measurable or verifiable in quantitative terms. Realistic. Objectives must be realistic and set achievable targets. Comprehensive. Objectives must be set in all key areas like production, function, employees' performance, market standing, financial aspects, etc. Further, all plans should be integrated into one single plan for achievement. Coordinated. The goals of individuals or groups should be coordinated in such a way that they are consistent with and contribute to the achievement of the goals of the other individuals and groups of the organization. Flexible. Objectives must provide for modification or changes as conditions warrant. Acceptable. An objective to be successful must be accepted by all the individuals of the organization. Participation of employees in goal setting also ensures acceptability of the objective. Thank you for your kind and patient listening.